Finally, look at that.
Let's eat, everyone.
Today we are making chicken and pork adobo. Here are the ingredients for making chicken and pork adobo with chicken liver. Place 2 pounds of meat in a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of shoyu or soy sauce, ½ cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorn, dried bay leaves, crushed garlic, squeeze in the lemon juice. Mix well until the meat is coated with the marinade sauce. Cover the bowl. Refrigerate for 1 hour or overnight. In the meantime, remove the shell on the hard-boiled eggs. Soaking the eggs for 1 hour in cold water makes it easier to remove the eggshells. After an hour, remove the meat from the fridge. To cook, put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a pot over medium-high heat. Add and partially cook the meat for 5 to 10 minutes or until the meat turns brown. Cook the meat in batches and do not overcrowd so that the meat is cooked evenly. Save the marinade sauce for later use. Flip the meat over, cook the other side for another 5 to 10 minutes or until all sides become brown. When cooked, remove from pot and let it rest until ready to use. Next, slowly add the chicken liver and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides or until the color turns brown. When cooked, remove from pan and let it rest until ready to use. Using the same pot and the leftover cooking oil, sauté the remaining garlic until aromatic. Add the onion and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes or until caramelized. Add the partially cooked meat. Add the cooked chicken liver. Pour the marinade sauce. Add the rest of the bay leaves. Then add 1 cup of water. Stir to combine. Cover and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Add ½ cup of vinegar. Stir to combine. Then cover and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally and check the thickness of the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then stir to combine. Add the hard-boiled eggs. Stir and coat the eggs with the sauce. Then cover and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. This is my way of cooking chicken and pork adobo. Serve warm with rice and enjoy!